the 2022 Audi Q5 protected with Meta call-based remote immobilisation system. If a thief got the key, done a relay attack and went to start the vehicle, it's not going to start up. As you see, it just overcranks. We're also going to get a phone call to let us know in a few seconds if we haven't pressed the button on this tag. The horn's going to fire off, so everyone around's going to hear that someone's in the vehicle. We'll press the button to silence that, confirm that it's us. Obviously the vehicle's going nowhere. When it's you'll get in, press the button, receive a flash, and you're good to start the vehicle and drive away. Fires into life, we don't get a call, and we're good to drive away. If you're in a position where a thief broken into the house, stolen this tag, and driven off with the vehicle, obviously they disarm the immobiliser, you're not getting the phone call, you're not getting the horn alert, they've got the tag to disarm. We have the tracking system, so what we can do is go into the tracker and disable it through the app. So if we tap that, tap immobilisation on, see the vehicle dies, we can now go out and recover the vehicle. As you see, it's not going to start up, they're not going to be able to drive away with it. As you can see, we're also getting another call to confirm the vehicle's cut out. The only way this is going to run again is if we go into the app and turn the immobilisation off. So go in there, turn it off, command's been sent. If we now start it up, the vehicle runs and we're good to go. We're Immobiliser Fit. Our number's 0208 212 7393. This is the Meta call tag based system. You get 2 tags, simply press the button, receive a flash, you're good to go. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.